So now I'm going to do a treatment for TMJ problems using the stones. First of all, we're going to use a nice oil for the skin. I'm using hazelnut oil because that's the closest oil to the same oil on our skin. And just stroke a little bit of oil, not too much, on the face. And you will find you'll end up pushing your client's head back to rest on your chest because it's just easier to do the treatment this way. So, TMJ, that's the point where the jaw connects with the skull, which is really easy to find. If you get your client to open their mouth and close, you'll feel the little joint. Perfect, thanks Claire. So we're going to work through there. This point can get really tight when people clench their jaw during the night while they sleep or grind their teeth. And it can also be very closely related to neck problems. So I'm going to use my hot stones. So I've heated my stones. I'm going to use my massage tools. So what we're going to do is, after we've cooled them down, and come up the back, we're now going to come through and sweep through the face and do what I call a face effleurage. So you need to do about 3 of these. Just to warm the muscles on the face. Alright, now we're going to go down to that TMJ point and we're just going to do little circles, gentle and slow, and get deeper as you go. And we're going to slide along the jawline to the chin and then scoot back underneath. Repeat little circles. And then slide along that jawline to the chin and then come underneath. So it's a real flow, going a little bit deeper each time, and you should feel that joint area releasing. And then you'll find that TMJ is also connected with that temple. So you come up to the temples and do little rotations. And then follow through that third eye. The other stone I like to use is my body stone. So you hold it like so, and what you would do, if you want, you can do one at a time, just supporting her head, and then you go into that TMJ joint and slide along that jawline and scoot back. Little circles, and you'll notice I bring the edge down to push into the joint and slide along that jawline, and then you can come up to the temple, do rotations here, and then I always like to finish with my third eye. And then you can repeat that on the other side.